Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually get free crypto. Yes guys, as you heard me, you can actually get free crypto in without paying any single dollar. So how you can actually do that? First of all, you need to go to your PC or any device and open any kind of browser. Right after that, what you'll have to do is search for crypto or learn to and earn Binance, and that is the earn crypto by learning on Binance. So here is how you can earn free crypto through learning. So what you must do is basically you have to go and register and create your account on Binance, which is pretty simple. You click on register, you put your email, your password or phone number, and then you'll have just like that created your first account. After that, you'll have to verify your account by sending them your ID card and some facial approving and your passport as well. This will work as well. So now after that, you go to this page, and what you'll have to do basically is go here, search for ongoing activities, and for example this one, if you started learning on this one, so auto investment, and you completed and you did well in the quiz, so you learn and then you pass the quiz. That's how you can learn. So after the quiz you will be learning some bucks or some money. And yeah, so for example this one is ongoing, so you can actually go to this one and learn and earn money. So there is other ones, I think these ones are ended, so let's go to all here and we'll find some here. For example, there is some stuff that are exclusive for new stacking users only. That's only the new stackers users that can be using this one. And yeah, they keep changing and updating this page each time to time, so make sure to keep checking on this page to make money through learning. So yeah guys, that's just how you can actually earn money for or earn crypto for free. So thank you a lot for watching and see you in the next video.